This piece gives me a sense of calm and serenity, and at the same time it's so powerful and dynamic. I'm so in love with it. The colors are amazing. I love how the light is reflecting in this water piece, and so I call this piece Seas of Summer. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Check it out. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say thank you all for being here. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I'll be using colors that, reminds me of summer. The beach, the oceans. It's just the beautiful, colors of the water. So I wanted to create something beautiful that reflects both summer and maybe like a day at the beach, or like I mentioned, the lake, ocean, whatever it is that might signify water and summer. So here I am just pouring the beautiful colors here, and of course I will be listing the name of each color in my description box below. I'm doing a puddle pour technique, and I'm, instead of using my regular black, which is Artist Loft black, to pour over these colors, I'm using white. And before, guys, I have to be honest, I wasn't getting great result using the white. And so, you know what, I keep tweaking it, and I realized that the white paint has to be way thinner than the black. So I had to keep changing, adding more water to it to create the cells that I wanted when I pour it over the colors. I do hope you guys love it. This is like an experiment, and it worked out, and so I'm sharing it with you. Here I am, did my first dump and tilled the white over. Didn't get the cells I wanted, so I went and created another puddle. Guys, check it out all the way to the end. This piece is just amazing, and I do love the colors, and I do love summer, and it really gives me a nice summer vibes at the beach, a nice Caribbean feel. I'm missing home, and I'm loving summer at the same time. So it's all about having fun here, with this float art journey, and I want to share with you, and I do hope you guys love it. And if you guys are here this far, I want to mention that today's video is a part of our Tuesday night premiere with me, Holly from The Morning Pour, Laurie Houston Art, and myself, then Nate from Nate's Bright Art. Beautiful, amazing artists. We do create different artwork, and it's all within the fluid art, and we enjoy sharing our experience. And of course, it's about entertaining you guys and keeping you guys informed, teaching you, showing you just some skills that we develop from practicing, and keep doing the same technique until we master it. That's what the fluid art is really about. We really want to share our own experience. You can learn from us. You can then turn around and make it your own. Okay, so thank you so much for being here with us on another Tuesday night premiere train. And if you've missed Laurie, who went on before me, check out her video. I will be listing her video and her time in my description box. If you've missed it, go back and watch her video. And of course, if you're here watching today, Nate is coming up after. Really do appreciate you guys coming out every Tuesday, and it means the world to us. It's just a small favor that you guys are doing, and it really does mean the world to us. Of course, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy my content. Hit that notification bell, and guys, remember, you have to hit all. When you hit that bell, hit all so that you're notified each time I post a new video. I had an issue. I had to reach out to YouTube because I realized that my viewers ain't getting my videos when I upload it, and so it was a concern for me. I thought that maybe my videos are not getting reached by my subscribers. But then I realized when I reach out to YouTube, they're saying that my subscribers aren't hitting the notification bell. They're subscribing. I'm getting subscribers, but they're not hitting the notification bell. So whenever I post a video, they're not getting the notification. And guys, it's very important that you do that. Not just subscribe, but hit the notification bell so that whenever we post, you're not missing out. I have friends, even colleagues at work, they ask me, Camille, okay, how comes I don't see you posting anymore? What happened? Aren't you doing your artwork anymore? And I'm like, what are you talking about? I post like at least 2 times a week, but then I realized that they're not hitting the bell. So guys, it's very important to hit the bell. And it's fun, and I'm here to really share a bit of my knowledge with you. And if you have any question that you want to ask, go ahead and ask questions in the comment section. All these things do help within the YouTube algorithm, and I really do appreciate you guys coming out and supporting us each and every single week on our Tuesday night premiere. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to check out the close-up of the wet result and the dried result coming up at the end. So don't you go away. See you at the end. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. So I'm sorry, off camera I added some more white in the Dutch pour section. I just blow it out with my mouth, creating the beautiful wave effect. But this is my favorite. I love how it has that watery look, the lacing effect, creating a watery look, and it's just amazing. Love it, love it, love it. It's a beautiful watery surface with sunlight reflecting and those ripple effects and all of that. So beautiful. Love those foamy areas from the waves. It's amazing. And of course the colors, I can't get over the color. It's amazing. Yes, I got nervous with using the orange in here, but you know what, I'm happy I did. It really did create some depth in here. If you guys notice some areas, it's like you're looking underneath the shallow water. It's just beautiful. And then the purple, you know, mixing with the blue and the turquoise, amazing. Do love it. Really does give me a great feel of the beach and the ocean and Caribbean feeling and all of that. And this is, as I mentioned, this is my favorite area, how the white artist loft really create that beautiful lacing, and it does give you that ripple effect of like a water reflection. You know, it's just amazing. Like the sunlight is reflecting on the water. It's beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, here it is, dried, and it's on my fireplace. There's no finish on here, there's no resin or varnish as yet, and the colors remain just as brilliant from, you know, when it was wet. I do love it. The turquoise area, oh my goodness, amazing. This is the way I felt like putting it on my wall. I just couldn't think of any other way. I don't know what you guys see in here, but like I mentioned before, this is my beautiful seas of summer, I called it. It really does give me a beautiful summer feel, and it's just amazing. I do love it. I do love everything about it. I do love the white foamy areas like the waves, and I do love how the turquoise give it that depth, and the colors, that contrasting colors with the orange and the purple. Amazing, guys. Do love this piece. It's one of my favorite to date, and yeah, love it. Let me know how this one makes you feel. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section, and of course don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. And if you're going to subscribe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell and hit all so you're notified each time. Nate should be coming up next from Nate Bright Art. And if you've missed Laurie from Laurie Houston Art, she went on before me, go ahead and watch her video on the next day. And we want to say thank you guys so much for coming out every Tuesday night on our Tuesday night premiere train. Really do appreciate your kindness, and we will see you guys next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.